Let us see new concept, nth term of an AP. Nth term, what do you mean by nth term? Okay, the nth term of an AP with the first term A and the common difference B is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term means, nth means last term. Okay, it depends on us. Suppose we want an AP with 10 terms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So for us 10th is the last term. Okay, so it is infinite. Okay, so we have to limit it. We want 10th term, we want to 8th term, we want 128th term, etc., etc. So it is given by, if you know a, n, that is total number of terms. Okay, and d is common difference, and an will be the last term. Okay, so also an is also given by L, where L is equal to last term. Okay, L is called last term. So an means last term. Let us see one example how we can use this formula to calculate n term. I have framed this question. See, in an AP, first term is minus 4 and common difference is 7. Then find dot 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 means 6th term, 9th term, etc., etc. Let us see how we can use this formula. Okay, here A is minus 4, D is 7. We want to find 6th term. So 6th term can be calculated. How we will find out? So 6th term is A6. Okay, so in that AP we will be having 6 terms, or we can say 6th term is our last term. Then okay, 6th term is equal to A. What is A? Minus 4 plus n minus 1. So 6th term means we are preparing 6 terms. So n is 6 minus 1 into d is 7. So minus 4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 into 7. So minus 4 plus 35. So that is minus 4 plus 35 is 31. So our 6th term of this AP will be 31. Our first term is minus 4 and our common difference is 7. Then minus 4 plus 7 and so on. So we can do this way. First term, so A2 is A plus D, A3 is A2 plus D, A4 is A3 plus D, and so on. But here we can find directly using this formula. Nth term can be calculated. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is minus 4. 6th term means 6th term is our last term. What is the meaning 6th term? There are 6 terms we have considered. We have considered 6 terms in an AP. So for us 6th will be the last term. So n is 6. Why n is 6? 6th term we want to calculate. So A6 minus 1 and so on. Let us see one more. We want to calculate 9th term now. Okay. So how we will calculate? Same manner. Okay. A9. Now what is the meaning 9th term? For us there are 9 terms in an AP. So for us 9th term will be the last term. Okay. So last term we are calculated nth term. So A formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So 9 A is minus 4. Now there are 9 terms and our last term is 9. So how many total terms are there? A1, A2, A3, 9. So A is 9. So 9 minus 1 into D. D is 7. So minus 4. 9 minus 1, 8 into 7. So minus 4. 8 7 is 56. So minus 4 plus 56 is 52. So 9th term of this AP, the value of the 9th term will be 52. Okay, and so on. You can calculate 10th term, 20th term, 50th term, and so on of an AP. This is an example how to use and the formula and to clear the concept of nth term. Hope you have understood this. Let us see examples or exercise based on the concept of nth term. There are a variety of sums. Okay. In exercise 5.2, question number 1, 2 and 3, I am not going to discuss here. If you understood the concept or the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, you can solve question number 1, 2 and 3. So I am not going to discuss. I will discuss from 4th. Okay. Let us see 4th one. Which term of the AP, here AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18, dot 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 is 78. Means what is the meaning here? First term is 3, second term is 8. What is the meaning? First term is value of the first term is 3, value of the second term is 8, value of third term is 13, value of fourth term is 18. Then this is the fourth term is 18. Then which term will be 78? So what is the meaning here? 78 is the last term given here. Now we can use the formula. Okay, let us see how to solve. Here is 3, last term. This is for us last term. We have to consider this as our last term. So we know the value of the last term. Value of the last term is 78, but we don't know the which term is 78. See, first term is 3, fourth term is 18. So which term will be 78? So we want to calculate here n. Okay, what is here common difference? No need to find a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2. Which term of the AP? It is given AP. So 8 minus 3, 5, 13 minus 8, 5, 18 minus 13, 5. So you can directly write D is 5. Now, using using an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So what we have considered? 78 is our last term. So an is 78, a is 3. Okay, we want to find which value of which term is 78. So we want to calculate n here. So n minus 1 and d is 5. Okay, so you can calculate. Bring this 3 plus 5 into n, 5n, 5 into this minus 5. Okay, so this is our equation. So 78, bring this 3 this side, so it will be minus 3. Bring 5 this side, so it will become plus 5 is equal to 5n. Okay, so therefore now 78 minus 3, 75 plus 5, that is 80. So 80 is equal to 5n. Okay, so therefore n is equal to 80 by 5. So you got, so n is 16. So what you have understood? Which term of the AP is 78? So n is 16. So you can write answer 16th term is 70. Okay. Another type of question. Question number 5. Find the number of terms in the following APs. This is different from this. Here there are two sub-questions. First sub-question I am taking here. This is an AP where first term is 7, second term is 13, third term is 19, and the last term 205 and then full stop is there. So you know the last term. Okay. Find the number of terms in the following AP. So how many terms are there? Total terms you have to find. Okay. So let us see. Here A is 7, last term is 205, What is common difference? 13 minus 7 is 6. 19 minus 13 is 6. So common difference is 6. Now, using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know the last term. Last term we know. So last term is 205. We know the first term 7. You want to find number of terms in the AP. So n you have to calculate. So n minus 1 and d is 6. Okay. So take 7 this side. So 205 minus 7 is equal to 6n minus 6. So therefore 205 minus 7 is 198 is equal to 6n minus 6. Okay, let us see. So therefore 198, take minus 6 on the left side, is equal to 6n. So therefore 6n is equal to 198 plus 6. Okay, so that will be 204. So therefore n is equal to 204 divided by 6. So divide 6 3s are 18, remainder 2, and 6 4s are 24. So n is 24. N is 24. What is the meaning? So n is not 24, 34. So 34th term will be 205. Value of the first term is 7, value of second term is 13, value of third term is 19. Last term is 205, means there are 34 terms. And the value of 34th term will be 205. So how many number of terms are there in the AP? So answer is 34. Okay? Hope you have understood this. Let us see sixth question of 5.2. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Okay? AP is given 11, 8, 5, 2, ... So first term is 11. It is AP. So D is A2 minus A1 only we will do. We will not do A3 minus A2. No need to check whether it is an AP or not. It is given. So D is 8 minus 11 is minus 3. And check whether minus 150 is a term. So for that purpose we will have to consider minus 150 as our last term of this AP. So we have considered an is minus 150, nth term. So we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So therefore minus 150 is equal to a. A is 11, fine, plus how many terms are there? That we don't know. We have to calculate. So n. So value of n should always be a whole number. It should not be a fraction. Let us see, or a negative. Let us see. N minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. Okay. So minus 150. Take 11. Transpose 11 on left side. So minus 11. Minus 3 into this. So minus 3 and minus 3 into 1, minus 1, so it is plus 3. Okay, so minus 150 minus 11, so that is minus 161. Take 3, transpose this side, so 3 becomes minus 3 and minus 3n. Okay, so minus 161 minus 3 is minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. So 164 minus minus cancel, so what you can say, or minus 164 upon minus 3 is equal to n, and therefore n is equal to 164 upon 3. Okay, so is it fully divisible? Check it. 3 5s are 15, remainder 1 and 4 14. It is not divisible, you will get a fraction. Okay, so what you can say, n should always be a whole number. Here if we simplify, then also you are going to get a fraction. Let us further try to convert into mixed number. See here, 164 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 1. Okay. 3 4s are 12. 2. So it is 42. 54 complete 2 by 3. Okay. So n is 54 complete 2 by 3. Or you can decide from here also, if it is fully divisible, n is a whole number, then minus 150 can be a term of the AP. But as here n is a fraction, okay, it cannot be a term of AP. Okay, so minus 150 cannot be a term of the given AP. Okay, reason, what is the reason? The value of n should always be a whole number. Okay, reason, n should always be a whole number. Hope you have understood this. Hello students, let us see 7th question of exercise 5.2. In this exercise there are a variety of sums. Okay, so let us see now 7th one. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So here 11th term is 38, so A11 is equal to 31 and A16 is 73. Okay, now let us see how to solve this. Okay, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So therefore 11th term, so a11, a we don't know, n is 11, so n 11 minus 1 into d. What is 11th term? Value of 11th term is 38. So 38 is equal to a plus 10d. That is, okay, a plus 10d is equal to 38. We call this equation 1. Okay, similarly, also, okay, also a16. A16 is equal to a plus n minus, n is 16, 16 minus 1 into d. 16th term is 73. So 73 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1, 15d. So that is a plus 15d is equal to 73. You call this equation 2. Now we got here two equations. Okay, solve these two equations and you can find the values of a and d. Okay, now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get, so equation 2 is a plus 15d is equal to 73, a plus 10d is equal to 38. Okay, subtract minus minus minus, so this cancels out. 15 minus 10, that is 5d plus 5d is equal to, now 13 minus 8, that is 5, carry 1 plus 1 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, so therefore D is equal to 35 upon 5 and you got it, D is equal to 7. Now put D is equal to 7 in either equation 1 or equation 2. In equation 1. So therefore A plus 10D, so 10 into 7 is equal to 38. So therefore A plus 7D is equal to 38. So therefore A is equal to 38 minus 70. So therefore what is the value of A? 70 minus 38, that is 10 minus 8 is 2, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. So minus 32. Okay, so you got A is equal to minus 32. Now what you want to find? Here you want to find 31st term. Now 31st term is equal to A plus M minus N is 31. 31 minus 1 into D. So you know the value of A, we calculated A and D. Okay, so just put the values of A and D. A is minus 32 plus 31 minus 1, that is 30, and value of D is 7. Okay, so minus 32 and 7 3s are 21. So subtract 32 from this. So take 9. So it is 170. So in the given AP, what was given? We don't know. A don't know. We don't know D. Only they said the 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Then you have to find the 31st term. So finally we got 31st value of 31st term is 178. Hope you have understood this sum. Let us see 10th question of exercise 5.2. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay. So we know that N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Here they are asking about 17th term. So now therefore A17 is equal to A plus N की जगह अब 17 लिखोगे 17 minus 1 into D. So you got A plus 16D. So therefore this is 17th term. Okay, is this way, and 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. Okay, and 10th term. So A plus N minus 1. So A is 10. 10 minus 1 into D. So A plus 9D. So you got this. Okay. Now क्या लिखा है? The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So the difference between this is 7. So 17th term exceeds 10th term. So now according to question, 17th term A17 minus A10 is 7. That is, okay, that is A17 is A plus 16D minus A10, that is A plus 9D is equal to 7. So what it implies? A plus 16D minus 8 minus 9d is equal to 7. So plus a minus a cancels, 16d minus 9d is equal to 7. So what is 16 minus 9? 16 minus 9 is 7d. So 7d is equal to 7. So therefore d is 1. Okay. So therefore required common difference is 1. Okay. Let us see 11th question of exercise 5.2. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay, so AP is given. So here A is 3, D means common difference, A2 minus A1, 15 minus 3, that is 12. Now, fifty-fourth term is equal to a plus n minus 1. That is 54 minus 1 into d. So that is a plus 53d. Okay. So we got this way. Now, according to question, what is the data given? Which term will be 132 more than its 54th term? So you have to find the number of term, which term. So an is equal to a54 plus 132. So what is an? An is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 54th term a plus 53d plus 132. Okay, yes, you can simplify. If you simplify, a will cancel out, so what remains? So a cancels out, so n minus 1 into d is equal to 53d plus 132. Okay, so n minus 1, as it is, value of d is 12 multiplied by 12, 53 multiplied by 12 plus 132. So therefore n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 12 is a 36, carry 3, 12 is a 60 plus 3, 63 plus 132. So therefore 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So therefore n minus 1 is equal to 768 upon 12. So therefore n minus 1. So divide, do the rough work, 768 by 12. Okay, 12 6 are 72. Okay, 6 minus 2 is 4. 12 4s are 48. Okay, so 64. So therefore n is equal to 64 plus 1. So therefore n is equal to 65. So your answer, which term of the AP, given AP will be 132 more than the 54th term. So answer you can write 65th term of the given AP of the given AP will be 132 more than the 54th term. Okay, than the 54th term. Okay, hope you have understood this. Let us see exercise 5.2, 13th question. See some questions which are similar I am skipping. Okay, let us see how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. So very first number, you don't have to think up to 100. You can have to start thinking from 101 onwards. Okay, so which will be the first number divisible by 7? Definitely 105. 15 sevens are 105. Okay, so it is divisible. So 7 and which will be the last 3-digit number? So for that purpose you have to do trial and error method. You have to try for 999. Okay, so try for 999 is divisible or not, 998 and so on. Okay, by trial and error method you can find out. So if you will get here, so I will write here. Let us see the solution here. So first term is 105 and by trial and error method last term, last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 994. Okay, yes. So now what will be D here? Okay, if it is divisible by 7, so the next number, so therefore D will be, what will be D? D will be 7 here. Okay, D will be 7. 105 plus 7. 105 plus 7 will be 112. 112 is divisible by 7. 119 is divisible by 7 and so on. Okay, now we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you know the last term, value of the last term is 994, it is 994. First term is 105. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible? How many? You have to find the number. How many numbers are there? You have to find how many numbers. So you have to find the number of numbers. Okay, so 105, so you have to find n here. So n minus 1 and d is 7. Okay, let us see. So therefore 994 minus 105 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Okay, so 14 minus 5, 9, carry 1, 9 minus 1 is 8 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, let us see, is equal to 7 into n, 7n minus 7, so 889 plus 7 is equal to 7n. So 9 plus 7 is 16, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 896 is equal to 7n. Therefore n is equal to 896 divisible by 7. Okay, sorry, divided by 7. So divide it. 896 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 1. 7 twos are 14. 5. 7 eights are 56. Okay, 0 0. Okay, 7 eights are 56. So you will get 128. Okay. So therefore n is equal to 128. So there are how many 3-digit numbers which are only divisible by 7? You can say there are 128 3-digit numbers which are purely divisible by 7 only. Hope you have understood this sum. Students, let us see 15th question of exercise 5.2. For what value of n are the nth terms of the two APs? Two different APs are given to us. Okay, 63, 65, 67 is one AP and another one is 3, 10, 17. So, for what value of n are the nth terms of the two APs equal? Okay, means which term will be having the same value? Okay, let us find out. Okay, I will explain you at the end. Let us see. So how to proceed for first AP? Okay, for first AP, what is a small a is 63 and common difference D will be 65 minus 63, that is 2. Okay. So A is 63 plus n minus 1 into D is 2. So 63 plus 2n minus 2. So 2n. 63 minus 2, that is plus 61. So we got here an for the first AP. Okay. What is the meaning? If you put here value of n is equal to 1, you will get the first term. You will put value of 5, you will get the fifth term, etc. Okay, fine. Let us see for the second AP. Okay. For the second AP, we will use capital case. Capital A, that is first term, is 3. Common difference. Capital D we will use. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. And we will use capital AN, subscript n, small n. Okay, A plus n, this n will be small, n minus 1 into capital D. A is 3, n minus 1, D is 7, 3 plus 7 minus 7. So 7 plus 3 minus 7, that is minus 4. So nth term, any term of this AP can be calculated using this equation, you can see. Okay, let us see. Now, for what value of n they said. So, now, according to question, so we have to equate this. For what value of n they will be having the terms equal. Let us see an. So an is equal to capital A. So an is 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. 7n 2n here, so I will transpose this side. Minus 4 I will take this side. So 65. So n is equal to 65 by n, 5. N is 13. आपको मिलता है n is 13. What is the meaning of this? कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? इसका meaning ऐसा है, दो अलग-अलग terms. For this term, n is given by this. For second AP, n is given by this. अगर आप n की जगह 13 डालो और यहाँ 13 डालो, check the answer. Okay, check the answer. Let us see. This is our work. So, for first AP, 2n plus 61. So 2 into 13 plus 61, 26 plus 61. So 6 plus 1, 7, 2 plus 6, 8. We got 87. दूसरे AP के लिए चेक करो. ओके, दूसरे AP के लिए 7n minus 4. n की वैल्यू 13 डालो. 13 sevens are 91 minus 4, and that is 87. समझ में आया? मतलब दोनों AP में 13वां टर्म, 13th टर्म, उसकी वैल्यू होगी 87. उसकी वैल्यू होगी 87. In this AP also, 13th term, the value of 13th term will be 87, and this term, in this AP also, value of 13th term will be 87. Hope you have understood this sum. Okay, so we can write here required term is 13. Hello students. We have seen up to 15th question of exercise 5.2. You might have noticed here that I have not solved all the sums. I have taken a selected sum and I have taken the sums which are different from each other. In the same manner, I will be solving 18th question today. See, it is totally different. We have not seen so far. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So according to question, so first condition it is, so fourth term can be, so it is fourth term plus 8th term is 24. Fourth term can be given calculated in this way. So a4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d. 4 minus 1 is 3. So a plus 3d is the fourth term. Same way 8th term. So say 8 minus 1. So a plus 7d is equal to 24. If you simplify this, you will get a plus a, that is 2a, 3 plus 7, that is 10d is equal to 24. If you simplify this, you are going to get, divide each term by 2. So you will get a plus 5d is equal to 12. Okay. You can call this equation 1. Now, also, according to question, so second condition is given. The sum of the 6th term and 10th terms is 44. So a6 plus a10 is 44. a6 a plus 5d plus a10 a plus 9d is equal to 44. So therefore a plus a, that is 2a, 9 plus 5, 14d is equal to 44. So divide by 2. So a plus 7d is equal to 22. This is equation 2. Now on solving 1 and 2. Okay, so now equation 2 minus equation 1 we get, so a plus 7d is equal to 22 and a plus 5d is equal to 12. Subtract, minus minus minus, so 7 minus 5, that is 2d is equal to 10. Therefore, value of d is 5. You got d. Put d is equal to 5. Now, put d is equal to 5 in equation 1. So therefore, a plus 5 into d, d is 5, is equal to 12. So therefore, a plus 25 is equal to 12. So therefore a is equal to 12 minus 25. So a is minus 13. Now you calculated a and you calculated d. You want to find the first 3 terms of the AP. Okay. So a is first term. Okay. Now a 1 is equal to minus 13. Now you want to calculate a2, second term. a2 is what? a1 plus d. a2 is a1 plus d. So a1 is minus 13 and d is 5. So therefore you got a2. a2 minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Okay. Now a3 is what? a2 plus d. a2 is minus 8 plus d is 5. So what is a3? a3 is minus 3. Let us see. Okay. So therefore you got A3 is equal to minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So required first three terms of NAP are minus 13, comma, minus 8 and minus 3. Okay. Hope you have understood this sum. Okay. Let us see a word problem based on arithmetic progression. Subara started work in the year 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000, okay, and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Okay, in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? This we want to calculate. Let us see. So what is given here? Annual salary of rupees 5,000. Okay, every year he will get an increment of rupees 2,000. So in which year did his income will reach 7,000? So from this data, okay, according to question, what is the starting salary? Rupees 5,000. So A is 5,000. Okay. What is his annual increment per year? Rupees 200. So D is rupees 200. Then, in which year they want? He started job in 1995. In which year his income will become 7,000? So you want to find the year. Okay. Let us see. So this is 7,000. So 7,000 is his nth term. So his salary is an example of AP. Okay. So nth term is 7,000. Okay. Now we want to calculate which year. So n value of the nth term is 7. So what is which term is 7,000? That you have to calculate. Which n you have to calculate. Okay. Let us see. So transpose 5,000 on left side is equal to n minus 1 into 200. Okay. So 2,000 upon 200 is equal to n minus 1. So therefore 10s are. So n minus 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to n. So it implies n is equal to 11. So he started job in 1995. After 11 years, his salary will be rupees 7,000. So you have to find the year. So you can calculate from 1995 up to 11 years. So that will become 2006. So you can write Subbarao's salary will become rupees 7,000 in the year 2006. Okay. Hope you have understood this word problem. After this, we will see another concept. Okay, sum of the n terms of an AP. Okay.